If I were an engineering student or a new graduate today who aim to work in the manufacturing industries, focusing on the quality, the first things I will do probably to learn about the quality management systems because they are the foundation of manufacturing industries. So if you work in automotive company, IATF 16949 is significant. You cannot work without it even. If you work in defense industry, AS 9100 is significant. You should know about this. But ISO 9001, which is the foundation of almost all the quality management systems, is very, very fundamental. So if you know about this, you will probably learn all the base of the management systems. And the next thing will be the problem solving tools. You need to know problem solving methodologies if you work in the manufacturing industries. You can know about Six Sigma, you can know about 8D problem solvings, you can know about A3 or others. But don't worry where to start because all are fundamentally similar. All need to have a problem definition. All need to have a root cause analysis. All need to have an action plan, which includes corrective and preventive. And all have a standardization. So don't worry, just start. And next will be the data analysis, like Excel, like Power BI, and other tools. It is very important to read the data and understand the data because regardless of the department, you will always work with the data. And the next will be the presentation techniques. But it is not only about the tools like PowerPoints or other technical things. It's also about your self-confidence because if you can clearly identify what you want, what you do, your career will probably be faster than others. And the next will be the AI tools. It is very important to know these tools nowadays because now we are going into an AI era. So I believe there will be no people survive in the manufacturing industries who don't know how to use these tools.